Today, after Scuf, Coca Cola, tints with its color, our gaming products of another brand. Good morning and welcome to Tech Interceptor. First of all, remember to subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell to stay up to date on upcoming videos, and if you want to take a look at our Twitter and Instagram profiles. As we see in this another video, inspired by the gaming world, Coca-Cola is creating with some brand a product collection limited edition pixel-inspired design called Byte. The collaboration doesn't include only the American brand of gaming controller, Scuf, but also its owner Corsair, the leading manufacturer specializing in PC components and a gaming peripheral like keyboard, mouse, headset, PC case, RAM and much more. After Scuf, now also Corsair has presented its new Coca-Cola creation, the Corsair K65 Mini Byte mechanical keyboard, the limited edition pixel-inspired design in partnership with Coca-Cola of one of its famous keyboard. As the original Corsair K65 RGB Mini, the Byte limited edition mechanical keyboard is a 60% form factor, featuring the Accent hyperprocessing technology. Visually, the limited edition is very clean. The case is all black and features a special keycap set that bring the color purple and black of Coca-Cola pixel-inspired design, with a green-esque Corsair keycap and a special pink keycaps in correspondence of letter E, C, K and O, and finally the spacebar with Coca-Cola logo printing on it. Like as the original Corsair keyboard, under the keycaps there are the cherry MX red linear mechanical key switches. According to the actual information, it isn't clear if the keyboard present also the RGB lights as the original K65 Mini. In addition, Corsair and Coca-Cola have created the Corsair MM350 Pro Byte gaming mousepad. The mousepad is very massive. It is an extended XL mousepad, and thanks to its dimensions of 930mm for 400mm, it providing all space for your mouse and keyboard. It features all great characteristics of Corsair brand, starting from the materials. In fact, it uses an ultra-fast microwave textile surface with a spill resistance coating and a textured rubber base. This is mixed with a purple pixel design of Coca-Cola creations, where on the right there is a large Coca-Cola logo with a pixel portal as a background, and on the opposite side on the left a small Coca-Cola logo to replace the Corsair logo. The Corsair K65 RGB Mini Byte mechanical keyboard is available on Scuf store at price of about $129.99 and the Corsair MM350 Pro Byte gaming mousepad at price of about $59.99. Like as the Scuf Byte controller, the Corsair products of the Coca-Cola Byte collection are available only on selected countries, including USA, Hong Kong, Mexico, People's Republic of China, Argentina, Colombia and Paraguay. That's all for today. Waiting new updates. As always, let me know what do you think in the comments below, and if you find this video helpful, then leave a like, share it with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe. Huge thanks for watching. See you again next time.